You're listening to Only in Seattle.
Hey, we're talking about you doing some video work. You've got the green light possibly at your new place to do a little bit of video work.
Yeah. So, I've had the broadcasting background.
Yeah, the background.
But did a little bit of video stuff, and it's like marketing always precedes volume by 30, 60, 90 days, right? So the marketing that you do today, that's always going to help fill your pipeline as a salesperson, right?
Yep.
And so you get busy doing marketing, and then all of a sudden it works and it pays off, and you start getting busy doing loans. And so I really, in my former position, I found that I didn't have enough time to be able to dedicate towards some of the things that I really wanted to do video-wise. And because I was always in the trenches of pushing loans through and so forth.
Working in your business, not on it.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yeah. So, but video is definitely king when it comes to marketing. And I heard a statistic the other day. They were talking about Facebook weeding out a lot of the videos in the algorithm, so you don't see everything in even people that you interact with all the time. They don't see everything that you post. So live video, like Facebook Live, those are actually going up higher in the rankings, and they're being seen more. The second one would be like a video that's actually hosted on Facebook, so people don't have to leave the party.
Yep.
And then kind of pushed down is the YouTube ones, because they don't want you leaving the Facebook platform, right?
Yep.
And so looking at video in general, it really makes you connect. And I think the biggest thing is that client experience. That's the one thing that I always come back to. So I'll give you an example. I had a client over in Spokane, and it was a first-time home buyer couple, and I'm talking with the gal, and it was a referral from a realtor, which is 99% of my business comes from realtor partners referring business to me. And as I was going through the application and telling her what we needed, I'll send her the email link so she can do it online. A lot of people want to do it that way. We have a phone app now that makes it super, super easy using technology, because this is where people live.
Right,
on their smartphone.
They're looking for their houses. They're getting loans.
Yep, all right there.
All right there.
Yeah, in their hand. And so we're trying to make that easier for them. So had the conversation with them, and I sent her an email with a video embedded. And she called me back like 2 minutes later after watching it. And she says, "Thank you so much for sending me that. I had this mental picture of you sitting over in Seattle in a high-rise office, as a banker, and why should I give you a loan?" Right?
Yeah.
And she had so much fear and anxiety. She says, "You don't know how many times I went to dial your number, but I was afraid because I just didn't know."
She had this mental picture of what she thought you looked like. You send her a video, and she's like, "Oh, I can
You're just a real guy."
to that guy.
I wasn't wearing a baseball hat that day, but I wasn't also in a
somewhere in
three-piece
between.
suit. Yeah,
Saturday casual.
It was business casual.
And business
that
casual.
day.
Yeah.
And she's just like, "You're just a regular guy," and so it made that real. So I mean, let's face it. Today, I would love to get face to face with every one of my clients, but that's not reality because people are busy, and people really want the ease of being able to get an answer. A lot of clients would rather text me than call me.
Yep.
So, and I totally respect that, but we have to change as an industry to be able to accommodate that. And video is really a great way to put the face with the name if we can't meet in person. And some of the other stuff that we talk about is just that local celebrity, the people that know you, that trust you and share your information.
The mayor of your town.
Yeah, Mayor Goldie Wilson. That's that's got a nice ring to it, right?
Yeah.
And just having that local presence,
right,
and being real,
and just getting your name out there.
It really does make a difference. So
I find it makes a difference on my end. We've got so many videos out there, and a lot of them are walkthrough videos on homes that we've listed and sold, but a lot of them are just me talking about topics.
Yeah.
And when we have new brokers come to interview, if I'm outside coming into the office, maybe at the same time they are, I can't tell you how many times I've had, "Oh, hey, Sean." And I'm like, "I know I've got an appointment, but I don't know who this person is."
Right. They know you.
Who I am. And it's a little weird. But then I'm like, "Oh, hey, you must be whomever." Because they already know who I am, or they feel like they do,
right?
Because they've heard me talk in videos. And so it takes away that step, like you just talked about with your client, where they don't feel comfortable with you. They at least know how you sound. They kind of know what you look like. And that really helps, and that goes a long way towards easing any discomfort they might have reaching out to you?
Well, I think we all want to do business with people that we like and
Sure.
we know and trust, of course. And
Yeah.
and we live in a review society too, right? So how many
Right.
5 stars does this person have?
Yeah.
And it's no longer I can cut and paste all my good testimonials. This is like, oh no, this is real. This
Yeah.
person actually
You're gonna have
left
to
that
take the good
review,
with the
right?
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video is out.